Welcome to our channel. Discover the magic of transforming your backyard into a compost wonderland. Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to live a sustainable lifestyle. In today's video, we will show you how to transform your backyard into a stunning compost wonderland. By learning the art of composting, you can recycle your kitchen scraps and yard waste, nourishing your soil and fostering a thriving garden. Are you ready to witness the transformation from trash to treasure? Let's dive in. Composting is the natural process of recycling organic matter into nutrient-rich soil. It not only reduces the amount of waste going to landfills but also provides a sustainable and cost-effective solution for your backyard. Compost acts as a natural fertilizer, enriching your soil and supporting healthy plant growth. Benefits of composting. 1. Enriches soil quality. Compost improves soil structure, texture, and water-holding capacity. 2. Reduces the need for chemical fertilizer. By using compost, you can minimize the use of synthetic fertilizer, contributing to a healthier ecosystem. 3. Suppresses plant diseases and pests. Compost contains beneficial microorganisms that help suppress harmful plant diseases and pests. 4. Reduces water usage. Compost helps retain moisture in the soil, reducing the need for frequent watering. 5. Saves money. Instead of buying expensive fertilizer, you can create your own nutrient-rich compost using household waste. Imagine having a backyard filled with lush greenery and bountiful harvests, all while reducing your carbon footprint and saving money. Let's embark on this composting journey together. Now that you understand the importance of composting, it's time to build your DIY composting system. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Follow these simple steps to begin your composting adventure. 1. Selecting the right location. Find a suitable spot in your backyard that receives partial sunlight and has good drainage. 2. Choosing the composting method. Decide between a compost bin, tumbler, or a simple pile based on your space and preference. 3. Gathering composting materials. Collect kitchen scraps like fruit peels, coffee grounds, and vegetable trimmings, along with yard waste like leaves, grass clippings, and small branches. 4. Layering the compost pile. Alternate between green, nitrogen-rich, and brown, carbon-rich materials, creating a balanced carbon to nitrogen ratio. 5. Maintaining the compost pile. Regularly turn the pile to aerate it, monitor moisture levels, and ensure proper decomposition. 6. Troubleshooting common issues. Learn how to address common composting problems like odor, pests, or slow decomposition. Remember, composting is an ongoing process that requires patience and care. Soon, you'll have rich, dark compost that will work wonders for your garden. Congratulations! By following our step-by-step instructions, you've successfully transformed your backyard into a DIY compost wonderland. Through composting, you are nurturing the environment, reducing waste, and fostering the growth of a sustainable garden. Take a moment to appreciate the magic of turning trash into treasure. Share your composting journey with friends and family, and inspire them to join you on this fulfilling adventure. Together, let's make our planet greener one backyard at a time. Thank you for joining us today on our quest to transform backyards into compost wonderlands. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more sustainable living tips and tricks. If you have any questions or want to share your own composting experience, feel free to comment below. Until next time, happy composting!